Well, if you're wondering what we have here, this is like the Thais a Pledge of Allegiance. It happens twice a day, where everybody will stop, take off their hat, and face the music, and show some pride in the fact that they live in a nice country that is well, there are worse. And like I said, this is like the Pledge of Allegiance, which in the United States we don't do anymore. We're not allowed to have our kids do that. Under God, oh my gosh, you can't do that. Don't get me going. I really don't want to be political, but it still hurts. It really does. Growing up in the 60s and 70s like I did. And I will show you what I think about that.
Musim gugur di Asia.
Now this is a cool little park that's like right next to the hotel I'm staying at in kind of downtownish Bangkok. We've talked about that before, where it really is downtown Bangkok. But anyways, got some really nice stuff here. And I thought, well, I'll just make a video out of this park because it's really, really a neat park. You got all kinds of things growing here. And yeah, it's a lot of people. There's a big round oval track going around it. I don't know how many kilometers or meters or miles, probably about a mile or so. I would imagine. I've walked around it once the other day, and people run in, walk in, of course, always in the same direction. So yeah, this is just a little area of some nice plants that they got going on, and we'll check it out over there, see what's happening there. Cactus in Thailand. Yeah, sure, why not? I got some of those guys too, which are kind of like a cactus in a little bit, to take a look at if you're into that kind of stuff. Oh, and I found the fish food. Well, when you come in, kind of first thing you see is a whole bunch of potted plants and nice little pond over there. But you can see they take really good care of all these plants, and they look really, really healthy to take a look at if you're into that kind of stuff. Those are some big whatever it is growing up around that tree. That looked pretty cool. Another one over there. But yeah, there's another little pond. I think there's like about 5 or 6 ponds in here. Not too bad those weren't blooming. Everything from working out the abs and the legs and the whatevers, and you can even do one of those things, huh? Well, that looks like a lot of fun, huh? Yeah. Okay, not only do we have all that equipment I was showing you, I just saw this. I thought this was pretty darn interesting. Massage for foot. So basically, you just walk around on all those. Cool. I'm gonna try this later on too. That looks good. Here's a shot of the skyline coming from the park. Oh, I still don't know the freaking name of this park. I'm gonna have to look it up on Google. But yeah, we're kind of downtown. Actually, we're only about 2 MRT stops, or actually BTS stops from Siam Center, which is arguably the center of downtown. Well, this is it. Just a short video. I'm kind of experimenting with long videos, short videos. Please let me know down below in the comments what you think about it. And if you're still here, thanks a lot. You guys are my #1 fans, and y'all have a great day. And stop and smell the flowers. All right. I will be having some more videos coming. Next videos are going to be from Cambodia. Thank you.